I'm gonna do a brief product review on a 2008 Suzuki Quad Sport air filter. What years this fits, I actually don't know. I didn't Google it before the video, but I'm pretty sure it's relatively around 2004 to 2009 or 10. You can correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but that's definitely, there's a range, I guess is the best way to put it. And this is for a Suzuki Quad Sport, so it's a sport option. This is not a utility ATV option. And this one here has done me so well. I am currently 2 years later, like as I stand right now, 2 years after I bought it, and it's still kicking just fine. You can see there's a little bit of dust in it that comes out. For the most part, it seems like cheap foam, but it actually does really well. In the 250s, the air filter is actually just cheaper in general. The air filter I originally took out was the OEM one, and it actually just didn't look great quality-wise. If you look at Ryan's ATV, his is actually much better as far as the air filter quality, and I mean that in the sense of the OEM and the one that he installed as well. Nonetheless, this has done me super well, and it keeps out the dust really good, even when I'm in things like sand or dust clouds with somebody driving in front of me, something like that. Couple things that I love about this filter in particular, and there's three things, and one would be installation. It takes about 5 minutes to take the old one out and put a new one in. They're super easy to clean. You could literally pull it out, hose it off with water, let it sit in the sun and dry, and then even still, that'll take probably about an hour to dry, not even, and you can slap it back in. And the price is really not that expensive. I know these ATVs, like the 250s, have cheaper parts than something like the 400s or 500s, something like that. It is cheap, and for a simple tune-up like this, or a gas filter, or tires or something like that, those are the tune-ups that you want to keep up with, especially if you're handy and can do them yourself. And so this is a perfect one where just hit the link in the description, buy yourself one, especially if you have an ATV that's very much like mine, and slap it in there and you'll be good to go. So that's it for this product review, but definitely check it out if you have a Suzuki yourself. Ryan and I both tuned up ours with filters, and they seem to run much better. So that's all for this video. Check out more for next time.